Hi, my name is Hamid Bahiri. I am the head of faculty at Human Professional Development. We provide a training program called Certificate in Data Analysis and Reporting using Power BI. Power BI is a tool that was introduced recently by Microsoft. It's a free tool. Power BI is there as a reporting tool for the whole organization. You can bring basically the data of the whole company into one platform and you can produce amazing results from these reports. The Power BI, once it gets into a company, the whole company becomes really addicted to it because of the fantastic results. So no more we are going to use Excel/PowerPoint in order for us to produce these results. Excel is very poor as a database management system. Excel was not built for that reason. So this is exactly the purpose of the Power BI, which is a fantastic tool that was introduced recently. It is for free. The tool itself is for free. The only time we are going to charge you is when you are going to share these results with the decision makers. This is the only time, which is very minimal, $10 per month, for example. That's the only cost that's involved there. So it's a tool that's taking the whole world by storm. There are some research that are saying that the results are about 1,000% compared to the cost that you are going to be paying. So you are going to get 10 times your money that you have spent, for example, in the development of this result in terms of benefits. You are going to have in terms of having faster decisions, less human errors that are involved, less human errors that are also going to be involved in reporting from now on. So that's a message to all our trusted clients around the world. You have to get into this, otherwise you are going to be obsolete in the very near future. I'm talking about 2022. So you have to take this one very, very seriously. I always say it is exactly like you are a master of pen and paper in the era of Excel, and you go for a job, for example, asking for a job and you say that you don't know Excel and say, Excel, I heard about it. You will never be employed by the company. Exactly the same now. If you come to me with Excel and you don't know Power BI or any other business intelligence solution, it's exactly the same as having pen and paper in the era of having Excel. So it is a requirement for companies and for individuals for their own progress. Big companies that are still relying on their Excel spreadsheets/PowerPoint presentations, they are in a very different world compared to companies that rely on business intelligence solutions. So it's a message for all companies, again, all clients around the world to start taking this very seriously. We do provide the training, we do provide the modeling solution. Thank you so much, all the very best.